Minister Amit Shah is all set to visit Hyderabad today on the final day of campaigning ahead of December 1 civic body polls. After UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Shah would become the flag bearer of BJP's campaign trail in city of Nawabs. He's going to begin his tour by offering prayers at Sri Bhagya Lakshmi Temple, which is right adjacent to iconic Char Minar, followed by a road show and press conference at Secunderabad. While on Friday, BJP President JP Nadda visited the city for Saffron Party's show of strength. The city witnessed rallies of several top leaders as the BJP has set out all guns blazing for the campaign in Hyderabad.
This election is between the TRS, the Congress, the MIM, the TDP, which all represent the family rule, versus the Bharatiya Janata Party, which represents the public rule. It is a election fight between the corrupt TRS government and the transparent the Bharatiya Janata Party government.
बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं, बड़े बड़े वीआईपी आ रहे हैं, गृह मंत्री भी आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे जो ये भी समझना चाहेंगे कि मंदिर हर जगह होते हैं. ये मंदिर, इस मंदिर का इतना महात्म क्यों है, कितना पुराना है?
देखिए, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि किसी समय हैदराबाद का नाम भाग्यनगर हुआ करता था. ये तो सभी को मालूम है, कोई अलग से बताने की जरूरत है नहीं. तो ये भाग्यनगर की जो भाग्य लक्ष्मी जी है, ये यहाँ पे साक्षात विराजमान हुए, जो यहाँ पे प्रकट हुए जो प्रतिमा है. ये मतलब ऐसा कोई यहाँ पे लेकर आके माता की मूर्ति को कोई विराजमान किए, ऐसा नहीं है. इसीलिए कई वर्षों से यहाँ पे जो निजाम थे वो भी खुद चार मीनार बनाने से पहले माता की यहाँ पे पूजा अर्चना किया करते थे. उसके बाद ही चार मीनार का बनाने का निर्माण किया गया है.
Ashutosh Mishra is joining us, reporting from Hyderabad on this entire campaign that he's closely following right there. Ashutosh, I'm going to come straight across to you to first explain to our viewers politically why this campaign matters so much, and of course, walk our viewers through the plan of the Home Minister today in Hyderabad.
So as you asked, Shaiti, why it is so significant? Well, what we know so far as local elections are concerned, we only talk about either Delhi Municipal Corporation election or Mumbai Municipal Corporation election. But this time, the Hyderabad Municipal Corporation election became so significant because of the escalation that was made by the BJP, the kind of scale they launched in the campaign, and that too suddenly last 15 days. You also heard leaders making so many statements, from conducting surgical strike in the old city where I'm standing at the moment now, the city of Charminar, and then Yogi Adityanath saying why Hyderabad should not be named as Bhagyanagar. But moreover, it seems that BJP is also trying its, tasting its water in the southern state, because beyond Karnataka, the expansion for the BJP has remained a challenging task. So once you enter in Telangana's municipal corporation elections, which influences 25 assembly segments and almost 5 to 7 parliamentary seats as well, and there you have a vote share, a major vote share. So that success formula BJP can also adopt in other states, in other southern states. So certainly that's also preparation for the next assembly election, and that's how the BJP battle and fight, prepare its political fight for the assembly and parliamentary elections in southern states. As far as this visit is concerned, we have seen first the BJP President JP Nadda visiting Telangana, Hyderabad city, campaigning for the municipal elections for the BJP. Then you saw the firebrand leader Yogi Adityanath, today the Home Minister Amit Shah. And why it is significant, Bhagya Lakshmi Mandir, as you heard the chief priest of this temple saying that earlier it was Bhagyanagar and not Hyderabad, and when old Nizam, before constructing this iconic Char Minar, this temple was constructed. So when you have a century old this temple, and it's significant, this is also why it is so important, because this is also a place of social harmony, a Muslim dominated area where you have a Hindu temple, where all the community members offer their prayer, they become part of massive celebration as and when it takes place at this point. Union Home Minister will be arriving here 45 minutes from now. All the arrangements are in place. There is a massive security deployment, and that's the temple where the Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be offering prayer before launching his road show in other part of the old city. Chaiti.
All right, Ashutosh, leave it at that. Thanks for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest. In fact, Ashutosh, we're going to keep coming back to you for more throughout the day, so stay with us right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.